Are you aware of the new AI tool some content creators are using to create magic on this YouTube street? It's called AI Genmax, and it is a game changer.
This is simple, guys, and this was how I created that particular video you just watched using AI Genmax. So I came over to my Google browser. So on my Google browser, I typed AI Genmax. So this is a spelling right here. So I went ahead to click on it. So when I clicked on it, it brought me to this interface. So this is their website that you are seeing. So I've gone ahead to click on it and it has brought me to this interface. Guys, one thing you need to know about this AI Genmax is this: you may want to sign in, you may not want to sign in. It is all your choice. So without wasting time, I'll just go ahead and click on generate video now. So I have gone ahead to click on generate video now, and it is telling me please wait. It has brought me to this interface, and there are things I will be showing you because I want you to achieve something similar to what I created. You understand? Now it all depends on what you want. If you want to turn your text into a video, this is the option you should go for. Now in a situation where you have your image already, you want to turn your image into a video, this is the option you should choose. So at this point, I want to turn my text into a video, so I'll go ahead and click on text. Like I've clicked on it like right now, and it has highlighted. So this is where I am going to paste my prompt. So I wrote this prompt myself. You can write your prompt yourself. You can as well tell ChatGPT to generate it for you. Now this is very, very important, and this is one of the reasons I want you to pay close attention. This is the aspect ratio. This is the aspect ratio. If you look at it critically, you see a little arrow here. Now that I have clicked on the little arrow, it has brought these options for me. Now this 16:9 is for YouTube long form content. 9:16 is for TikTok videos or YouTube's short form content, while 1:1 is for Instagram videos. So this particular video I am creating like right now is for YouTube long form content, so that's why I am gonna choose landscape. You understand? So guys, one thing you also need to know about this particular platform is these are the things that you can use this platform for. If you want to do marketing, like your video is all about marketing, product demo, nature scenes, food, character animation, you can do all of this with this platform. You can do even more. You understand? So let's get back to business. So at this point, I have put my prompt. All I will do is for me to just go ahead and click on generate View 3.1 video. So I have gone ahead to click on it like right now, and it is rotating. Guys, I am not going to lie to you. I have used other AI tools. I know how they work. I know how long it takes each and every one of them to generate content. Now this particular AI tool will tell you that it will generate content for you in 4 to 8 minutes. You understand? So when compared to Gemini AI generates content in less than 2 minutes. You understand? One thing you need to know about this AI Gen is this: it will give you 10 seconds video, while Gemini will give you about 8 seconds long videos. You understand? So but it takes longer time anyway, so let's wait for it to get done generating. Once it is done generating, guys, I will show you the output. Okay guys, so at this point our video is ready. This is it, and I'll go ahead to play it so we can watch it together.
Are you aware of the new AI tool some content creators are using to create magic on this YouTube street? It's called AI Genmax, and it is a game changer.
Good evening and welcome to day 1 of our faceless YouTube monetization training. We have a lot to learn tonight, so kindly clear your desk on time. See you at 8 p.m.
Okay guys, so now that you're done watching that video, let me show you something else. So next thing I'm going to show you is image to video. So this particular one requires you putting your image and telling your image what to say, like what you know as animation. You understand? So at this point, I'll just go ahead and click on image to video. So now that I've clicked on image to video, this is what it is showing me. Here it says upload reference image. So if you click on this particular arrow here you're seeing, it will take you directly to your gallery. Now, one of the reasons most persons are always complaining of this particular feature is because they keep saying that once they put their image, it is always showing red. Let me show you something. Let me click on it. This is my gallery. I've brought in this one. I've clicked on OK. Now, in a situation where you bring in an image and it is showing this red sign, like this X sign, it therefore means that you have brought in an image that this platform does not support the format. Now, let me show you guys something. This is what it says. This particular platform requires you to bring in an image in form of PNG. You understand? So once you bring it in form of PNG, that's the recognized format that they know. So after putting in your image here, next thing you have to do is for you to go ahead. Okay, this is it. This is the format they want: JPEG, PNG, or WebP. These are the three recognized formats that this particular website recognizes. So what you will do next is for you to go ahead and put your description. So you're going to describe what you want your image to say. You understand? So if you want your image to say whatever thing you want it to say, just write it here. You can use ChatGPT to write it. You can go ahead and write it manually. There is really no problem. Now, do not forget your aspect ratio. If it is for YouTube long form content, remember you're gonna choose landscape. If it is for short form content, you're choosing portrait. If it is for Instagram, you're choosing square. You understand? So guys, at this point, I'll just go ahead. I'm choosing this particular one. So these are examples for this particular one. So here we have portrait action, we have product showcase, object animation, we have landscape motions. So you can go ahead and choose any of these. You understand? So you can just go ahead and choose any of this. So once you choose it, anyone you go ahead to choose will be highlighted. Do you understand? So this is it. This was the one I generated before now. Okay, I'm sorry I didn't show you guys how to download it. So to download it, you just check below here. You see this download icon. You go ahead and click on the download icon. Now it is showing failed to download because I switch over to image to video. You understand? Because I switch over to image to video. But do not worry guys, I had already downloaded the video before I moved over to image to video. So guys, let me know if you'll be using this particular AI tool. It's actually new. You understand? Let me know if you'll be using it. Let me know if you've used it before. Let me know if you're facing challenges trying to use it. I know most persons are facing challenges trying to use this image to video because of the format that it accepts. You understand? So guys, see you guys in my next video, and bye for now. If you have questions, leave it in the comments. Do not hesitate to ask your questions. Bye for now.